Presenting a pre-owned 2016 GMC Terrain Denali. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC is a great value with less than 28,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, window defogger, and sunroof. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.